Hello dear aspirant learners of cursive writing. The video related to upper zone letters cursive writing has been again uploaded to YouTube because the previous one had a little bit blurring. Hope you get this and have a happy learning. Thank you. Hello viewers, good morning. Today we are going to learn the upper zone letters in the cursive writing. So as we have already seen, there are 13 middle zone letters. We have 7 upper zone letters. The first one is B and the next is D, F, H, K, L, T. So let us consider each and every letter and their strokes. Start with the first letter, that is B. So the first stroke is, should write like this, from the middle zone to the upper zone, and the next stroke is should come to the middle zone and touch the upper line of the middle zone, and the third stroke is ending stroke. So this is 1, 2 and 3. This is how we write. I will show you in a picture, single picture. 1, 2, 3. First stroke, second stroke, it should go inside and come like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let us show me some of the common mistakes that we do while writing B. Some people write like this, and when they come, they turn here and then give the ending stroke. Here the second stroke should follow this line up to the middle zone, up to here, like this. It should come like this and then turn towards the middle zone and inside part and then give the third one. This is correct one, and writing like this is a wrong one. And another wrong practice is giving a very big one like this, and this also looks very odd. I hope you got this. Next we move on to the second letter, that is T. Write the first stroke that we have seen in writing A, and the second one is write an oval shape like this as you have seen in O, and go straight to the upper line of the upper zone and then come to the baseline of the middle zone. 1, 2, 3. Let me write the complete letter at a time. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let us consider some of the common mistakes that we do in this. Okay. Sometimes people do doubling, the mistakes in the doubling. So here the second stroke didn't follow the first one. It should follow this one, not like this. Okay. Two strokes appear like that. This is the wrong one. Okay. It should follow like this. This is how we write. Okay. Next, move on to the third letter, that is F. Actually F belongs to all the 3 zones, but we consider this as an upper zone letter. The first one is, as we have seen in the B, the second stroke is come down very straight to the bottom line of the lower zone, and is a wrong one. Start here and come like this and give a cross section in the middle of the middle zone. 1, 2 and give a ending stroke like this. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. When you write something, if any wrong appears, don't scribble on it, just put a into symbol over that. It's enough. Now I would like to write the complete letter at a time. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Observe carefully. 1, the bottommost line, and touch it here. This one, 1 2 3 4. This is how we do it. So the general mistakes that we can observe while writing F is 1 2, giving a very big loop. This is wrong. Okay, and sometimes we do this kind of mistake, that is we cut here. Okay, this loop cuts here, but it is wrong. Then it comes like this. It looks very odd. It should come up to the middle part of the middle zone here. Okay, this is wrong. This kind of mistake should not be done. And another mistake what we do is we give a very big loop. This loop is not good. It looks very odd. So don't do these kind of mistakes. Next we go to the fourth letter, that is H. It's very easy, as we have already practiced the letter N. Write the first stroke as we have seen in B, and then come down, touch the baseline, and then write N. Deviate here in the middle, and then this one. 1 2 3. Let me write the letter at a time. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. This is how we do it. Some of the mistakes that we do is we generally write this one. We take up to the top line of the middle zone and then give like this. It doesn't look good. Okay, don't do this. Next, the fifth one is K. 1, as we have seen in B, and the second stroke is should come down up to the bottom of the middle zone, and again you go up and give a small loop here. 1 2, give the ending stroke like this. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Here a small loop appears. Okay, even the loop comes, it looks good, but don't try for the loop in the beginning. Okay, it becomes very odd. The common mistake that what we do here is we write like this when it is written with a loop. This is wrong. And the second one is the loop that is given here may sometimes be very big one. This looks like a letter R. Don't do like that. And the sixth one is T. That is L. Okay, if you know L very easily, you can write the letter T. The first thing is write like this and give the ending stroke like this. 1 2. Okay, let me write here the complete letter 1 2 3. Next comes to the letter T. So you write the letter L here like this and give a small stroke like this. This should be like a letter S, as it is in horizontal position. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Don't give a loop unnecessarily. It looks very odd. See this one with a loop. It looks very odd. So I hope you have seen all these things. Let me show you all the letters B. Okay, 1 2 3. Next one is D. 1 2 3. Next one is F. 1 2 3 and 4. Next one is H. 1 2 3. Next one is K. 1 2 3. Next one is L. 1 and 2. Next one is T. 1 2 and 3. This is how we do it. I hope you all got this. Thank you and have a good practice of all these upper those letters. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.